Hello out there, everybody. Manny here at Area 503. And I hope you all have been well since our last video. Hey guys, today I just got a quick update from the Perseverance and Ingenuity missions. I recently posted some updated photos from Mars, but these new updated images were just too cool not to bring right out and share with you folks. The first collection is from Ingenuity's second and third test flights. The Perseverance rover was able to document the test flights from its mast cam, while the drone took flight and flew across the Martian landscape. One of the images captured by the Ingenuity drone even showed the Perseverance rover hanging out over in the corner. Yep, he's just chilling. Check that out. Pretty cool, huh? Having a drone to fly over the rover is an important part of this mission. The images collected by the Ingenuity drone will help give a better perspective to any other imagery that the Perseverance gathers. Because in science, just like ufology, it never hurts to have a second pair of eyes on it. So this was the second and third successful test flight of the Ingenuity drone. Check out this short animation created by assembling all those images together into a movie. The rotor sounds were added for dramatic effect and did not come from Mars. And here's 3 different stages of the third test flight. So we have now proven that drones can fly on Mars. That's amazing. This truly is a remarkable achievement, and it paves the way for engineers and scientists to begin planning future missions to Mars to study the red planet and also to get it ready for future human settlement. I think that we almost certainly are going to begin to see a wave of drones and rovers whose design is to build the Martian habitats and to collect resources that the settlers of Mars are going to need, like oxygen. The future of space exploration and colonization is going to look drastically different than any of us could have imagined. I suspect that it's going to be AI-controlled robotic units doing most of the work before human beings even show up. What do you guys think? What will the colonization of Mars really look like? Let me know in the comment section down below. I am curious as to what you guys think about all of this. But for now, that's all I got on the Mars mission and images. But you guys know that I'm going to be following this mission closely. And if anything interesting pops up, I'll be sure to bring you the best highlights and news. Don't be fooled by the imitators out there who clearly do not know what they're talking about.
And almost right off the bat, you see in the distance, and this only comes up in separate frames, so this is not a speck on the lens or anything like that, but it appears as if right away, right as the drone is deployed from the rover, we can see something in the distance in this official NASA still image. Now, could it be a speck of dust?
Do you think?
Possibly. However,
I want my money! Oh! I want my money, man!
But it almost looks like something is flying, you know, and turning, because Mars does have an atmosphere.
Yeah, there sure is an atmosphere on Mars, pal. Always has been. How else do you think the rovers land using drogue parachutes?
And what you're seeing is the actual rover and helicopter itself attached, making its way down via parachute.
But isn't Tyler cute, trying to play astronomer for his fans, even if he is clueless? Okay, enough of all that. I'll catch y'all later. As always, this has been Manny at Area 503. And I wish you all the best until we meet again. And I am out of here to continue my search for universal truth.